I'm not going to lie, when we first opened this foosball table that Vevor sent over to us in exchange for this video, I was a little nervous thinking it would take all day to put together, but honestly, it went way quicker than we expected. Everything came labeled, the rods slide in smooth, and before we knew it, we were lining up all 22 players and ready to play. It's got solid handles with really good grips. It even has shock absorbers, so it's not super loud when you're going hard on defense like my son. My favorite part is that it can fold up. I don't think ours is going to get folded up ever because we play it too much, but it like full on folds out of the way when you're done. So if you don't have a full-blown game room, you can still have one without sacrificing your whole living room. But this thing is not very large at all. It could easily tuck into a corner of a room when you're not playing it, when you have it folded up. It's perfect for kids, perfect for adults who pretend they're not competitive but totally are, like my mom. Honestly, this thing turns into chaos the second the ball drops, and I mean in the best way. It even has scorekeepers on each side, and it does come with 2 balls in case you lose one. But we absolutely love it. It's going to get a lot of gameplay. We hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.